Well, so yesterday I showed the 3D visualization of the semantic manifold, I guess. Today I added in the updating. Every time it like trains, it updates the dots. These dots are just places inside of the manifold that it assigns one frame of the sound to. The red dots are the untrained data, so it's trying to fit the untrained data inside of the manifold. You can see the dots are slowly shifting as it's learning, but most of it is always sort of clumped together. So it can articulate most of the sounds as this area. And some things are very similar, like here. You can see this little row here. But there's also a lot of things it can't really express as a shared feature, and those are spread out. And obviously, the red one is very spread out because it's never learned it, so it really doesn't really know how to express it. It tries to do it in a combination of what it learned, so it's not too crazy far away, but it's definitely distributed. Okay, so now I'm gonna load it up without the untrained data, because the untrained data does add a bit of a noise factor, which is hard to see. I'm thinking about adding lines so that like when it's playing the sounds like a neuron firing, it will just shoot lines between each different sound so you can see the trajectory of how it's playing the sound. What I find so fascinating about watching this is, first of all, it's so addictive that I don't get my work done. The second of it is that it's just so organic and fluidy as it's learning. And at some point, it stops rearranging the actual positions of a particular sound relative to the other positions, but it's changing the placement of it. It's very interesting to see. But I think really the cool feature is going to be when you can see the trajectory playing out. So it will shoot a line from one point to the next point to the next point, etc.